ho, ho, Santa Van.
Max Van here, aka Garrett Gerloff.
Little Garrett Gerloff impersonator. We're here to announce our Superbike Christmas giveaway. This is week one. We're gonna be able to do this 3 times. We're a little late with this video. The other 2 will be a little more timely, but every order placed on the STG site from the 2nd of December to the 8th of December, that is a Sunday through Saturday, will earn 1 entry that will be part of a random drawing. We'll pull it on Monday, December 10th. 1 person is gonna win this crashed and signed Garrett Gerloff Cortech Monster Energy race suit that he wore in Moto America. And that is, of course, only if I can pull it off of Max, because when he saw this thing, he was pretty amped up.
Yeah, I was pretty pumped.
But somebody else is going to get it. And you know what? They've all been great to us, and this is a way for us to say thanks to all the people that have chosen STG in 2018. It's been a great year. We had a ton of fun. Business was really good. We appreciate everybody out there that has worked with us. I want to thank Helmet House Cortech, my man Rick Choate for making this happen for all of us, and then Garrett Gerloff for signing the suits that he sent out to be part of the giveaway. Good luck, and thanks again.